Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we learned the Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Sikkim. Okay. Today we learn Darjeeling. Page number 241. Darjeeling, a hill station in the state of West Bengal, also comes under the northern mountain region. Darjeeling is a hill station of West Bengal. That is also come under the northern mountain region. Vast plantation in Darjeeling produce tea, which is exported throughout the world. Here it is famous for their tea, Darjeeling tea. Okay, this is exported throughout the world. Okay, सब जगह ये export करता है Darjeeling tea. It is very famous. This is actually a hill station in West Bengal, but it is lies in the comes under the northern mountains. See the next paragraph. In the northeast 5 states, namely Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland and Mizoram are part of the northern mountains. See, in the northeast 5 states, what are they? Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland and Mizoram are part of the northern. Already we learned that in the first paragraph. We learned which are the states consist of northern mountains. The largest state in the northeast is Arunachal Pradesh. Which one is the largest state in the northeast? Which one is the largest state in the northeast? That is Arunachal Pradesh. It shares international borders with China, Myanmar and Bhutan. Yes, Arunachal Pradesh is share with the other neighboring countries, that is China, Myanmar and Bhutan. Okay, farming and weaving are the two most important occupation. Here the people's occupations are the weaving and farming. The state produces paddy, maize and wheat. Here it is also which are the products they produce: paddy, maize and wheat. Tourist places in Arunachal Pradesh are the Tawang Monastery and the Namdapha National Park, which is famous for its snow leopard. Here it is the famous tourist places. Here it is Tawang Monastery and the Namdapha National Park, which is famous for its snow leopard. Here it is a snow leopard where it is found, the Namdapha National Park. Okay. The northeastern state of Meghalaya. The next state is Meghalaya. Land of Khasi, Garo and Jainitia Hills shares its international borders with Bangladesh. See, the northeastern state of Meghalaya. Land of the Khasi, Garo, these are the Garo and Jainitia Hills. These are the hills. Shares are its international borders with which one? With which country? Our neighboring country, Bangladesh. Maus Sindram, a village of Meghalaya, is the wettest place in the world with a high annual rainfall. Okay, here it is we get a highest rainfall. We get a highest rainfall in which state? Meghalaya. Okay. See, its capital is Shillong is the capital. Which is the capital of Meghalaya? Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. It is a beautiful hill station. Farmers grow paddy, potato and maize. Meghalaya is known for its pineapple and banana plantations. Yes, Meghalaya is famous for its pineapple and bananas. Okay. Next state is Manipur. Shares its border with Myanmar. Okay, this Manipur is shared with which country? Our neighboring country, Myanmar. The beautiful Loktak Lake in Manipur is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India. Dekho, the beautiful which one? Loktak Lake in Manipur. Which one? Loktak Lake in Manipur is the largest freshwater lake in India, northeast India. The largest freshwater lake in northeast India is Loktak Lake. Which one? Loktak Lake. The climate is generally pleasant throughout the year and cold only during the winter months. Yes, in summer season it is a very cool and pleasant climate, and in a winter, during the winter season it become a cold. Farmers produce cash crops such as rubber. Here it is produce in a Meghalaya it produces cash crops. What are the cash crops? Rubber, cadam, tea and coffee in the hills. Okay, cash crops these are rubber, cadam, tea and coffee. The Manipuri classical dance originated here. Yes, Manipuri dance is famous. This is Manipuri dance is originated from Manipur state. The next state is the state of Nagaland. Also shares an international border with Myanmar. This Nagaland is also shared the border with the other neighboring country, that is Myanmar. The Naga Hill Range makes the terrain mountainous and the climate wet and cool. See, the Naga Hill Range makes the terrain mountains and the climate wet and cool. Here it is a climate is wet and cool. Farmers grow rice, millets, pulses, sugarcane, oilseeds and potato. These are the cash crops and food crops are produced here. Which are they? Rice, millets, pulses, sugarcane, oilseeds and potatoes. Weaving and woodwork are the other major occupations. The other occupations are weaving and woodwork. Okay, farming is the main occupation and the other occupations are weaving and woodwork. See the last state, Mizoram, a landlocked state in the northeast. Shares its international border with Bangladesh and Myanmar. Its border is a landlocked state. Okay, its border shared with the neighboring countries Bangladesh and Myanmar. Agriculture is the main occupation of the Mizo people. Here is also the agriculture. In India, the agriculture is the main occupation. The 3/4 peoples are depend on the agriculture. So here it is also depend on the agriculture. They also make a variety of bamboo products. Here it is famous for bamboo products. Okay, the Mizoram's bamboo products is very famous. Mizoram has one of the highest literacy rates in India. Highest literacy rate in India is Mizoram. Okay, so we completed our lesson. So everyone read this lesson. This is a long and lengthy lesson. Okay, so everyone read it. This is everyone read this one and see the next day. See the explain our notes and exercise. Okay, thank you.